So this is what I'm looking at on Go today. This is the exact way I trade. So if you pay attention to what I'm doing here, you can trade the way I trade. Whatever I'm going to do here now is the exact same thing I'm going to do to take my own personal trades I take on my account. So let's go into it. So last week, you guys know that I marked this level out. On my analysis, I mentioned this zone, and I mentioned this particular zone as well. And this one is still here. I have not cleaned this one, and this one is still here. So, and the market came into this area and respected it. You can see that it dropped. So, as I told you guys that whoever want to take a sell, let that person just know that he's going to scalp it. It will be a scalping, not something that you are going to hold. Which he played at, because my zone was somewhere here. I know that it was from here to here. I think it's like 50 pip zone. Yeah, so it triggered somewhere here, which any trade you took from here to here, I think this dropped like 90 pips. Definitely is a good trade. It dropped like 90, because if I took this trade and it dropped like 90 pips, definitely it's when it's dropping like 20 pips in as 50 pips in profit, I'll close like maybe 40% of my positions and leave it as in 60%. So in this trade, I made money. And this is the second position that I still marked out, which this position also played out. You can see that it dropped from here to here, which is 170 pips. And this is a jump sharp. As when market opened, this has not opened, the thing just jumped down. So if you took this trade last week Friday, and if definitely when this thing drop down and get to here, you will make money. So now this is zone. This is two zone that is remaining. This zone and this zone. That is two zone that is remaining for this market to take out all-time high. It has not gotten to this, but started rejecting. I don't know whether it will still come up again to test it or whether it will keep dropping. So, but this morning, what I'm looking at is buy. And if I want to sell, it will be on this zone. Any sell I'm going to look at now will be on this zone. It will be on this zone. And as I say, it will also be a scalping trade. I will put different layers here. I will layer it here, put different positions. Then immediately drop like 50 pips. I will close like 40% or 50% of the position, because this 1 hour time frame is an uptrend. Yes, daily it's still in downtrend. So I'll close like 50% or 40% of the position. Then the remaining ones, I'll move my entry to break even. So eventually, if it comes back, I know that I'm not losing anything. It will only take me out on 0.0. But if you keep dropping, at least I will hold the remaining, let me say, 50% that is remaining. So that's how I'm going to take this trade. But definitely, immediately market get to this zone, it must react to this zone. It must. It's under must. It will react to it. It must drop before even continue moving. So it will do something like this. Maybe give you a higher high and lower high before it will start moving. So this drop, the scalping, you can make money out of it if you know how to do it. So now, market took out this high and is coming back, and there is bullish engulfing here. So this is another zone you can look for a buy. Now you can look for a buy on this zone. You can look for a buy on this zone, and you can look for a buy on this zone. There is bullish engulfing here, and you can say market took out this high. So the next thing the next thing that this market will do now is to respect and move, or come down to this and move. So this is the two scenarios that might happen here. It will be this zone or this zone. But if I am, this is two zone, but I'm not taking this zone, I'm using this zone, because this might be a fake out. You can easily take out this zone to come back to this zone and respect before moving. So I'm not gonna take any buy from this zone, no. That's for me, but market might reject from this zone. If you didn't get to this zone, I'm okay, let it go. So if you don't want to wait to this zone, you can take a trade here. Then if you take it out, cut your losses, then wait for this zone. And this is 1 hour time frame, and this is 4 hours time frame. Four hours time frame, this candle still have no close, it's still open. So the only zone that is in this 4 hour time frame now is this particular one. Is also there is bullish engulfing here. So this is only valid zone on 4 hours time frame, because this one have no close. So this is only valid zone on 4 hours time frame. I believe that this gold can still buy and take out maybe this high with the shadow, or all this, because if you can see, this is liquidity. I believe that this is liquidity that, or people call it trend line liquidity. People that all this analysis they do online, see it's a trend line liquidity. So I believe that the market will take out all this size before drop. Maybe it will take all this and get to this before it will start dropping, because people that all these swing traders, their stop losses are here. This is liquidity. So I believe the market might take them all out before this will start dropping. So if you are buying, if you are selling from this zone, just know that this might spike up to here. That's why I say scalp it. Make it give you money. Just take. Don't waste much time in there. But I believe that this might still buy and take out all this liquidity here. Then when it get to this zone, that's when I know that it might keep dropping, because whatever makes it to take this zone, then it will take no time all time high out. So that's what I'm thinking here. And this is, if you see on this 4 hours time frame, you can see that it's an uptrend. Don't change your character, has done everything here. But on this daily time frame, you cannot say the same. It's not on. Yeah, this candle is massive, but it has not really done a change of character. If you are using this as change of character for sell, and using this particular single buy that it broke down, if you are looking at it as a break of structure and using here as change of character, it depends. We all use different. Maybe someone will tell that you cannot use one candlestick as change of character. So different opinions. If you are using any of this, but if you are using this as change of character and using this particular one is a daily as break of structure, this daily time frame is still in downtrend, because it has to take out this zone before it will do change of character. So that it has not done so. So I believe that it will still push to this to take out all this liquidity and continue dropping. I don't know, but that's another scenario I'm looking at here. But no matter how it is, I'm going to take a sell from here, but it will be a scalping. It will be a scalping trade. If you get to here, I will take a sell, and whatever is giving me, I will kind of close some positions to protect my capital or protect what I got from there. So let's see how this trade will play out, guys.